Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope now you know how to open a trading account and an investing account, and I also hope that you know how to buy and sell a company share. Okay, as I had shared in my previous video. If you haven't checked it, please have a look. The description box will have the link to the video, and also if you use the other link to sign up, we both can benefit. We both can get one free share as well. So make sure you check it out. Also, if you haven't already, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will definitely be doing more how to on videos and more tutorial videos in the future. But today we will be doing a very short video on a company where I have invested a small amount of money. And but before we get to that topic, let me ask you a question. What do you exactly do when your life starts giving you lemon? That's right, you hit the like button, and you always think before you sink. All right, you must have guessed from the title of this video. I'm going to be talking about a stock called LMND Inc. Ticker symbol LMND, which is an insurance company. And this company is not just any insurance company. It could easily be a very disruptive and it's already a very innovative insurance company. Okay, and it's currently offers an insurance for homeowners and properties, and properties and renters as well. Okay, I first got this stock when it was $61. I got more of these stock when it reached $51, and I think it has found a nice bit of support in the $45 mark. Okay, however, I'm currently in the red at the minute, but I think I will be holding to this stock for a good few years. And today I will explain to you exactly why I have these opinions. Okay, and now there are quite a few companies. These are traditional insurance companies in the market which have been in this market for well over a century, since the Stone Age as well. Okay, and 20 of these insurance companies are in the Fortune 500 list, and you must be wondering, how can a fairly young company compete with giants like these? Okay, Lemonade claims to change the traditional insurance business model by taking a flat fee for its services and donating the surplus from its policies that don't submit claims. So basically, Lemonade will charge you 20% of fixed fees, which is used to cover their administrative cost, with the surplus being their profit, and the remaining is used to fund claims by reinsuring and cover taxes and fees. The surplus then goes to a charity of the customer choice. So always remember, you are doing a good deed by using their services, by using Lemonade Insurance as well. So you will be donating to a charity as well in a certain manner. Okay, so whereas traditional companies normally they collect 35% on the premium fees alone. So it's very transparent, which shows how much a customer would pay for extras and charge only a flat fee. Also, zero everything deductible features, which promises everything will be zero, and you don't have to pay for anything that are deductible. Okay, Lemonade is also very easy, very fast to sign up, and at the same time it's very fast and easy to claim everything, and it can easily be done on your phone simply by chatting to an artificial intelligence. And currently 30% of the claims are done in this manner, and you know what, this number will only increase as the algorithm is collecting all these data and will only get better over the years. And due to the vast amount of data Lemonade is able to collect, its algorithm can accurately predict the appropriate level of insurance one has to pay as well. So it'll be a lot quicker, and it'll be, you don't have to talk to the phone. Imagine, I think a lot of you can relate to this as well. Imagine being on, you want to claim something and you being on the phone, they put you on hold, you listen to some unwanted music, or music that you don't like. You are on a hold for 15, maybe 30 minutes, sometimes even hours as well, and then they transfer you from one department. Oh, this is not the claims department, this is the complaint department, to other department as well. All that hassle will be gone. It'll be quick and easy. Okay. And the algos, does it remind you of something? Does it remind you of Amazon as well? Amazon, it was, remember all the even Tesla as well. All this time it was collecting his data, even the autonomous driving in Tesla as well. And it's getting better and better as there is more data, more input in its system. So basically, I think it's a very good combination of digitalization and using algos to change the perspective of an insurance company, both as a customer and a service provider as well. So guys, this is the daily candlestick pattern for Lemonade Inc. Okay, these are my entry points: $61 and $51 respectively. I've already drawn the horizontal line on my entry points. You know what, this thing, it reminds me of Snowflake's IPO, which was launched probably 2 days ago. As you can see, this was, their IPO was launched on July 2nd of July, which had an opening of $50, and then within a matter of 2 days, it went all the way up to $96. So it doubled, basically it doubled within 2 days, and I think there was a massive profit taking. So from $96, it went within 2 days, it went all the way up to $96 twice, just to come crumbling down all the way up to $45. Yeah, so that's the reason. Some of my friends asked me if I was investing in this Snowflakes. I thought it was very overvalued on the day of the IPO, so I will wait for that. I will wait for it to simmer down as well. Same thing can be said about Uber as well. I've seen a couple of these stocks, so much hyped by the media, and it goes so much up in the first few days, just to cool off that energy, that massive amount of energy these type of high growth disruptive stocks have. Okay, now I will just explain why I made these moves as well. Okay, so let's make a trend line, something like this. Okay, so normally this thing is consolidating around this zone. So what I thought is it was the end of it, and this was about to have a breakdown, so breakout, sorry. And I'm not always right. It dipped even further, but as you can see over here, there's a nice big candle in the past 2 days. Even though Dow, S&P, Nasdaq, all the stocks have been falling, this has a really nice, good candlestick, or it's reversing. Obviously, investors like me, they see something right with the fundamental, and they also see the price is right. I think $47 was a perfect entry point as well. So that's the reason I re-entered and invested more on $51 mark as well in this thing. Okay. So let me do a quick fundamental on this company Lemonade. I'll read out the financial summary first. Okay, this is what it says. For the first 6 months ended on 30 July 2020, Lemonade Inc. revenue has increased from 24.8 million to 56.1 million. So that's, bear in mind, that's almost 2 times the revenue has increased. Okay, their net loss also increased by 29%, which is a lot as well, to 57.5 million. But if you see overall, the revenue has doubled and the expenditure has only increased by 29%. Okay, if we go to this the quarterly earning as well, they've been increasing. Obviously, I think they were affected over here due to the lockdown. So their revenue decreased from December of 2019 to March of 2020. But in the next quarter, on June it did increase to 29.9. Yeah, so their total revenue increased. Okay, so they are on the path to increase as well. Okay, and their net income, their loss, they are still at a loss. This company is still at a loss. So if it was at a 108 million loss, so it's currently at minus 21 million from 36.5 million. So like I always say, growth is very important if you are investing in a company. That's what I look, growth all the time. Yeah, the revenue is increasing as well. The tactics this company is using is very healthy as well, even in the short term and in the long term as well. And they are using measures to control their expenditures as well, so which is shown in their quarterly report. So it is fundamentally, this company is heading in the right direction. That's what I would say. Okay, so on that note, I will conclude my video on Lemonade stock for today. If you thought this video was informative in some way or other, if you think it helped you, please do not forget to hit the like button. It means a lot to me. It helps me a lot in the YouTube algorithm as well. And also I will be talking about a few more stocks in the coming days, and hopefully you can benefit from these as well. So subscribe if you haven't already, and if you have any other thoughts about this stock Lemonade, you can always comment on the comment section below. Let me know if you're buying this stock or if you are shorting this stock as well. And like I always say, always think before you sink. Goodbye, my friends.